Hey everyone, up for sale today is a 2004 Ford F150 4x4 Lariat crew cab short bed. This truck has about 187,000 miles on it. It's in pretty good condition for the miles, but there are some body flaws to start out with. We've got some rust here, and some rust on the cab corner here. The interior is very nice though. Really nice interior, black leather. Like I said, it's a Lariat, so it's got, for the day, a lot of bells and whistles. Pretty nice shape actually. Even the back seat looks very much as new condition, I would call it. It's fantastic. The truck is a one-owner truck, which is great. Not to say it's perfect, but there's tons of maintenance records going all the way back to when it was new. The owner was really meticulous about keeping records. There is a bit of corrosion on the wheels, as you can see. Really good about keeping records and keeping this thing reliable and ready to go. That wheel cap's missing, but the other three are there. There are a few dents and dings. Some other bodywork damage here you can see from rust. There are some remnants or residue of decals on there. They'll probably come off with some WD-40 or some, what's it called, paint thinner or something like that. Just don't go too crazy on the paint thinner. This window switch usually works, sometimes works, just not always. I can replace that. It's cheap. It's like 13 bucks. It takes about 2 minutes. So I've got no problem replacing that. But remember, this Lariat has got a lot of nice features. Cruise control, power leather seat. It's got adjustable pedals. Pretty nice sound system actually for the day. And like I said, it's in really nice shape. There's this cool overhead console with a lot of storage and lights and stuff. And this truck would be great to tow your boat, to work as your work truck. Landscaping, metal recycling, family truck, whatever you want to do, it's ready. It has the V8, of course. It's got the Fightin' Triton 3-valve 5.4 Triton V8. It is worth noting that the engine was replaced in 2016. It's got 50,000 miles on it. The engine also has a new alternator and starter. Again, we have records for all that stuff. I'm not just saying it. The transmission was new as of 2018. And in 2021, the frame and the bed were replaced due to rust. So it's got a new bed, a new frame, new alternator, new starter. Engine's only got 50K on it from a few years ago. Transmission's got less than that. So it's in pretty good shape. You can see there's an oil cooler on the front too. I guess it's for the trans. So it's ready to work. AC blows cold. Got 2 keys for it. Tires look great. Check out these tires. It just has some cosmetic stuff going on. We're ready to sell it. Come check it out. It's got LineX Bedliner and huge bed. This mirror has been duct taped up a little bit. It had a little hit. The housing is also a little cracked, but the mirror itself is okay. The other side, the glass is slightly cracked. It's hard to see on camera. And there's a few scuffs on it here and there. But you can still use it and still see out of it. You can barely even tell on camera, but there are some tiny scrapes. The check engine light is on for, I think it's a misalignment of the timing. Does not cause any drivability issues. It's been like that for a long time. No issues whatsoever with that, but the check engine light does come on. So come by, check it out. Open to offers, and let me know what you think.